All right, let's search for Download Anaconda Mac if you're on a Macintosh, and let's install the individual edition of Anaconda. I'm going to click on that, and fortunately there's a download button without a big search, and we want Mac OS. It's going to take a minute to do that, so tiny bit of time travel, and let me download that and install it. And I double-clicked on the installer. It brings up a box that looks like that. And tell it to continue, continue, agree, install. It says less than a minute. It's not true, at least on my computer, which is not that fast that I'm installing on today. My usual development system is much faster, but this one is going to take a while. So we're going to time travel again. And in the middle of this, I get a pop-up of allowing in the downloads folder. I click OK. And it's still going to take a little while longer. And finally, we have, yes, it is installed. Gives us a little summary, and don't really need the installation media at this point. Now, when I get done, I should have in my home directory, which is Philip, now I should have in my home directory, which is Philip, an opt now, which is where it put Anaconda. And there is, I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so you can see it, an Anaconda 3 directory, and it has, yes, all sorts of fun stuff, including a Python app in there that we will be using. And this is where the Python executable is for, we've got to tell Visual Studio Code where to find the Python executable, and it will be in here. So this is where we're going to have to direct it to find Python. I'm looking for Python, but yes, I know it is there. So yes, we will have it in a second. Now let's go in and set up our, now that we have Anaconda installed, let's go in and set up Visual Studio Code to use it.